Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're covering a topic we haven't discussed in a while: ingrown hair. While you watch some ingrown hair removal clips, I'll tell you how to prevent them. An ingrown hair irritates the skin. It produces a raised red bump that looks like a little pimple. Sometimes an ingrown hair can form a painful, boil-like sore. Before I continue, does anyone else remember the YouTube channel called My Ingrown Life? I believe YouTube deleted their channel because they thought a channel about ingrown hair was offensive? What do you think? Should YouTube ban ingrown hair videos? And now back to the educational part. Anyone can get an ingrown hair, but the problem is more common in people who have very curly or coarse hair. Curly hair is more likely to bend back and re-enter the skin, especially after it's been shaved or cut. To prevent ingrown hairs, try these tips every time you shave. Every day, rub your face in a circular motion using a wet washcloth or an exfoliating scrub to tease out any stubborn ingrown hairs. Shave with a sharp, single-bladed razor. Wet your skin with warm water before shaving and apply a lubricating gel. Shave in the same direction your hair is growing. Use as few strokes of the razor as possible. That lessens the chance of a hair slipping back into your skin. Also, rinse your razor with every stroke. By the way, if you like our channel, please check us out on Roku. We'll put a link below. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.